Hi friends, today's lesson is for Module 4, Lesson 19. Our learning goal for today says, I can use objects and drawings to show less than. Friends, we've been doing a lot of adding, do you agree? Yeah, when you add, you get more of something. Today we're going to switch it up. We're going to be losing items, and we're going to use objects and drawings to help us figure out how many are left to show what's less than. Okay, so here we go. Here's this cute little bed, and the story says there were 5 monkeys on the bed. One fell off. How many monkeys are left on the bed? Friends, I recognize this story. Do you recognize this story? Yeah, it's from that song. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Okay, well, fall off, monkey. There he goes. He bumped his head. Goodbye. All right, so glad that we had that song to sing with us. All right, so there were 5 monkeys on the bed and one fell off. How many monkeys are left on the bed? Well, friends, how many monkeys are left? Perfect. Yeah, go ahead and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 monkeys are left on the bed. Hey, we just showed and found less than using our objects, right? Now, I used the monkeys that moved and danced around. But we had 5. Let's go ahead and put up our good counting sticks, our fingers. Put up 5 fingers on one hand. All right? Now, I'm going to sing it again. And as we do, you bounce up that hand up and down like you're jumping. And then when I say 1 fell off, go ahead and tuck that thumb in. Okay? And we'll see if we have 4. Ready? Here we go. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. 1 fell off and bumped his head. Go ahead and count your fingers. How many do you have left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. How did we get 4? Now we took 1 away, right? Less than is when you take away. We could say 5 take away 1 is 4. Just like we had 5 monkeys, we took 1 away when he fell off and now we just have 4 left. Hey, we're really good at finding less than. I thought this was going to be hard. Oh goodness. Press pause. Can you go get your dry erase board and marker? Because remember, our learning goal said we're going to use objects and drawings. So I'm going to show you objects, but you're going to do some drawing. Okay, press pause while I get your materials. Press play when you're ready. Okay, are you ready, friend? Perfect. Don't draw anything yet. Put your marker down for just a second. Ooh, bananas. Now, I'm going to use bananas as my objects today. But friends, I don't want you to spend all your time drawing these cute little bananas. They're adorable. When you do a quick math drawing, do you remember what we can use? Great. Yeah, we can use circles. So I would like you to draw circles when you draw yours, okay? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 bananas. Go ahead and pick up your marker, and I want you to draw 6 bananas. I really mean circles, though. 6 circles. Now keep them nice and organized in a nice straight line, okay? All right. If I move on too fast, you press pause. Okay, do you have your 6 circle bananas? Perfect. Now here's the story. The zookeeper gave the monkey 6 bananas. He ate 3 bananas. How many are left? All right, so we have our 6 bananas, and the monkey ate 3 of them. Oh, I don't really want to show the monkey coming in, running from the side and eating the bananas. Is there a way on our pictures, does anyone have a suggestion for how we can show the 3 that he ate? Like, what could we do to our circles to show that they're gone? Well, we could erase them, but that might get a little confusing later. Oh, we could cross them out. Hey, thanks for the suggestion. Yeah. It says the zookeeper gave the monkey 6 bananas. You have your 6 banana circles, right? He ate 3. Let's go ahead and put a big X on 3 of them. Go for it. 1, 2, 3. All right. Now I clearly crossed out those 3 bananas. Did you cross out your 3 circles to show that? Excellent. All right. How many bananas do we have left that we didn't cross out? Yep, go ahead and count them. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. We have 3 left over. So if we have 6 and we take away 3, how many do we have left? 3. Well, that was fun. Hey, you did a great job using your drawings to showing how many are less than. All right, good. Erase your board. We're going to try another one, okay? All right, this time we're going to start with 5 gingerbread cookies. Oh, they make me so hungry. All right, Go ahead and draw your 5 gingerbread cookies, but of course you're going to draw circles on your board. Okay, do you have your 5 gingerbread cookies? If not, press pause. I'm going to tell you the story. I baked 5 gingerbread cookies. 3 ran away. Oh, those gingerbread are so sneaky. So I baked 5 gingerbread cookies and 3 ran away. How many cookies are left? Friends, what are we going to do? How are we going to figure out how many cookies I have left after 3 ran away? Oh, yeah, I have 3 less than cookies, so I could put an X on my picture, right? You have your 5 circles to show our 5 cookies. Can you go ahead and put an X on 3 of them? And then when you figure out how many are left, you write that number really big on your board. Okay, did you X out your 3 and then find how many are left over? Oh, all right, check yourself. So I knew that 3 ran away, so I did 1, 2, 3. And that means how many are left, friends? Yeah, 2. 1, 2. Is that what you got? Oh, you are so good with less then. Do you think putting those X's on there are really helpful? Oh yeah, me too. Keeps us so organized. Thank you. All right, which is great. Our learning goal today says, I can use objects and drawings to show less than, and that's exactly what we've been working on. We've been using those X's to show the ones that we're taking away, and then we can find how many are left over. Fantastic job, friend. It is your turn. This is what I want you to seesaw to me. Now I have some balloons up there. Can you go ahead and quickly count how many balloons I have? Perfect. All right, there are 4 balloons. And our story says, I gave you 4 balloons. You're welcome. Whoops, 1 flew away. How many balloons are left? All right, this is what I would like you to do. On your dry erase board, I want you to draw a picture of those 4 balloons. Just a quick picture with circles. Show 1 flying away. What would you do for that? And then write really big how many are left. Then send that to me on Seesaw. I can't wait to see your good work. Good luck, friends.